In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a guest on Airbnb. If you're a host, setting clear boundaries is essential, and sometimes that means preventing a specific guest from contacting you. I'll walk you through the exact steps and explain what each screen is asking for so you can complete this quickly and confidently. Start by signing in to your Airbnb account, either on the website or in the mobile app. Once you're in, head straight to your inbox. This is where all of your message threads with guests are kept, and it's the place you'll use to manage conversations and take action when needed. Find and open the conversation with the guest you want to block. You'll be working inside the specific message thread. With the conversation open, look toward the top corner of the screen for the three-dot menu, often shown as a small icon with three dots. It might be in the upper right, on desktop, or near the top on mobile. This menu is your gateway to more options related to that conversation. Click the three dots to open the options, then choose either report or block. Depending on the interface you see, you may need to select report this user to reach the blocking flow. Airbnb sometimes groups the blocking action under the reporting tools, so don't worry if you don't see a block label immediately. Next, Airbnb will prompt you to select a reason. Choose the option that best matches what's happening. Providing the most accurate reason helps Airbnb understand the situation and apply the right safety and communication settings. Take a moment to read the choices and pick the one that fits your scenario clearly. After selecting your reason, confirm the action. You'll usually see a final confirmation screen so you can double check before you proceed. Once you confirm, the block goes into effect. Here's what that means for you going forward. The guest will no longer be able to message you, and they won't be able to send you booking requests. You'll be shielded from further contact through that account, which helps you maintain a safe, manageable hosting experience. If the layout looks slightly different on your device, focus on the same elements: your inbox, the conversation thread, the three-dot menu, and then the report or block option, followed by the reason and confirmation. Keep your explanation concise and accurate when selecting the reason so the system applies the right safeguards. That's it. Log in, open the guest thread, tap the three dots, choose report or block, select your reason, and confirm. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your Airbnb hosting with confidence.